am Pratichi, full-time research scholar in School of Management under the supervision of Professor Mishra. For me, it's a joy and privilege to work under Professor Mishra and to learn from the experienced faculties during the program tenure. The university has a right set of course offering and teaching methodologies. Through various conferences, seminars and workshops, I am getting chance to strengthen my teaching, research and knowledge base. This university rapidly offers work on various research projects with dynamic and passionate people. PhD students are given the freedom to explore and provided with all of the tools required to successfully navigate this incredible journey.